doing dirt bikes now. We are dirt bike people. Bryce is riding my dirt bike. Soon we will be changing our channel name to Camden and Friends. So here's our introduction. Camden, Sophia.
What up?
Bryce is on the dirt bike. So I'll go take you to him. Bryce! Say hi. Say hi to the cameras, Bryce. You're on this pretty pink bike. Let's ride. Yes, this is a tablet I'm on because I don't have a GoPro. Please like my video because I am not rich and I need money. So please also donate to me because I am not rich and I'm trying to save up to get a GoPro so I can video better. Okay? So when I video better, then you guys can have better videos. So if you're watching this, please be good. Vroom. Say hello to my little friend. Hello. Say hello to my little friend, guys. It's actually mine, but she's renting it out for money. So soon I'll have enough for a GoPro so I can film better. Here it comes again. Round the corner. Round the corner. Keep it rolling! Yo, that's so sick, bro. Now we're gonna go give you a little tour of the forest. Brice! Brice!
Yeah, I'm renting it, but for 2 years, buddy.
Then I get $200 out of this.
Close to 200.
Chain! Okay, here. Okay, guys, this is how you fix a chain on a dirt bike. If you ever have one. And this is how you fix a chain on the dirt bike. Bryce will be holding the camera. Hi. But at the dirt bike. So we come over here. We get this.
Which is that thing that Camden's holding. And
We need to back it up. You back it up. Make sure it can get on.
And 40s are the hardest to put on.
Yes. 40 chains are the hardest.
Just to tell you, 110s are the easiest.
Oh, it's all the way out up here.
Yeah, the baby one's down. You guys see the baby one? See it? Camden's touching it. He's being a brave boy touching that engine, kind of.
It hurts. It burns.
I will touch the engine.
It burns on this side.
Oh, Camden got it. Time for the big one. Oh. Sorry, guys, we dropped it. Huh? Well, we're just practicing, kind of.
No, this is going to be a real video on YouTube. This isn't any practice.
And then
real video
after, I'm going to full speed it. Right, Camden?
Yes, sir.
And this dirt bike actually goes 25 or speed limit.
Can I say
upper.
something?
What? And don't forget, if you guys want a shout out, you better comment.
You better comment.
And like and subscribe.
Well, please like and subscribe as well.
Yeah.
This is our second video we uploaded. The chicken video was the first video.
Yeah, but if you guys don't.
Okay, I'm gonna drive away soon.
Honestly,
Here's the dirt bike noise.
if you guys liked and subscribed. But if you guys don't want to, you don't have to. It's just something we want.
It's just something we want, but we don't need it.
Yeah. We won't force you guys to ever like and subscribe. Just know that.
Now this is nearing the end of our video. In the next video, we will show you the tour of the forest. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.